Every day, we make countless decisions. Some seem trivial, others monumental. Yet, what if these seemingly small choices hold the key to our greatest regrets? Delving into the essence of Stoic wisdom, we uncover 10 such choices that wield extraordinary power over our lives. From navigating conflicts to nurturing relationships, organizing our finances to listening to our intuition, each decision offers a pathway either to profound fulfillment or lingering remorse. Join us as we explore how embracing these insights can steer us towards a life of purpose, resilience, and profound satisfaction. Especially stick around for the last one, as it will change your life. 1. Confronting conflict. Imagine you have a disagreement with a close friend over a misunderstanding. Instead of addressing it directly, you avoid the conversation to maintain harmony. Over time, this unresolved issue festers, creating tension and distance in the friendship. By confronting the conflict respectfully and honestly, you open the door to clear communication, mutual understanding, and stronger bonds. 2. Seeking support. Picture yourself struggling with a complex project at work. Despite feeling overwhelmed, you hesitate to ask for help because you fear appearing incompetent. As a result, the project suffers delays and errors, impacting team performance and your stress levels. By acknowledging your need for support and seeking guidance from experienced colleagues, you not only learn valuable skills, but also foster a collaborative environment where everyone benefits from shared knowledge and support. 3. Organizing personal documents. Consider a scenario where you need to submit important documents for a loan application, but you struggle to find them amidst piles of papers at home. The stress of searching last minute delays your application, causing financial setbacks and missed opportunities. By organizing documents systematically and keeping them accessible, you ensure readiness for such crucial moments, avoiding unnecessary stress and ensuring smooth transactions. 4. Financial savvy. Suppose you regularly overspend on non-essentials without tracking your budget. As a result, you often find yourself short of money when unexpected expenses arise, causing anxiety and reliance on credit cards. By adopting financial discipline, setting a budget, and prioritizing savings, you gain control over your finances, reduce debt, and build a secure financial future with peace of mind. 5. Pursuing hobbies. Imagine you used to enjoy painting or playing an instrument, but have neglected these hobbies due to work demands. Over time, you feel depleted and uninspired, lacking creative outlets for relaxation and personal growth. By dedicating time to hobbies that bring joy and fulfillment, you rejuvenate your spirit, enhance creativity, and achieve a healthier work-life balance. 6. Nurturing relationships. Picture a family member with whom you've had a misunderstanding that remains unresolved. Despite caring deeply, you avoid addressing the issue to avoid conflict, leading to strained interactions and emotional distance. By practicing empathy, actively listening, and initiating honest conversations, you foster trust, deepen connections, and create a supportive environment where relationships thrive. 7. Health maintenance. Consider someone who neglects regular exercise and relies on fast food due to a hectic schedule. Over time, they experience weight gain, low energy levels, and increased stress, impacting both physical and mental well-being. By prioritizing daily exercise, balanced nutrition, and adequate sleep, they regain vitality, boost productivity, and maintain overall health for a fulfilling lifestyle. 8. Emergency preparedness. Suppose your area is prone to natural disasters, but you haven't prepared an emergency kit or evacuation plan. When a disaster strikes unexpectedly, you scramble to gather essentials, causing panic and uncertainty. By proactively creating an emergency plan, stocking supplies, and discussing evacuation routes with your family, you ensure everyone's safety and readiness in critical situations. 9. Listening to intuition. Imagine you're considering a job opportunity that seems promising but feels uneasy about the company's values during the interview. Despite these instincts, you proceed out of fear of missing out on a career advancement. Later, you discover the company culture doesn't align with your values, leading to job dissatisfaction and regret. By trusting your gut feelings and weighing them against rational considerations, you make informed decisions aligned with your values and long-term goals. 10. Living with purpose. Picture yourself going through daily routines without considering how they align with with your personal values and aspirations. Over time, you feel unfulfilled and disconnected from a sense of purpose in life. By reflecting on your values, setting meaningful goals, and making intentional choices that resonate with your beliefs, you cultivate a purpose-driven life filled with passion, meaning, and satisfaction. Reflecting on these 10 small choices, we realize their profound impact on our lives. Each decision is a thread in the tapestry of our existence, weaving together our journey towards fulfillment or regret. Embracing Stoic principles empowers us to navigate life's complexities with clarity and purpose. As you embark on your own journey, remember, every choice matters. Choose wisely, cultivate resilience, and live with intention. Together, let's continue exploring the wisdom of Stoicism and enriching our lives. Thank you for joining us on this transformative path. Don't stop here. Explore more, learn more, and live stoically. Your engagement enriches our community and strengthens our shared journey towards a meaningful life. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Remember, you got this.